today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or turn on picture library access for applications on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select privacy and security on the left panel. And then on the right side, scrolling down underneath app permissions, go down to the pictures section and select that. And then where it says picture library access, just go ahead and toggle that to the on position as well as for any relevant applications below. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.